Hello everyone, welcome to How Logical. Today I'm going to show you how to appear offline even when you are online. First of all, go to your Grindr app. Now you can see the home screen which looks something like this. On the top of the page you can see your profile. Go to your profile. Here you can see two options, online and incognito. When you tap on incognito, it will show you unlimited offer which will cost you $39, and there will also be an extra which will cost you different price on the basis of month, weeks or a year. Let's go to unlimited. So when you press on continue and pay $39, you will be able to be offline even when you are online. Thank you for watching.